This Rockville REC76 enclosure is precisely shaped for Chevrolet Colorado and GMC Canyon crew cab trucks, tucking neatly under the rear bench without eating into passenger space. The dual 10-inch layout and carefully calculated internal volume give most 10-inch subwoofers the room they need to produce tight musical bass instead of boomy rumble. Its sealed design and dense medium-density fiberboard construction help keep unwanted resonance down, so you hear clean low end even at higher volume levels. Once installed under the seat, the box looks factory integrated and stays solidly in place, which is reassuring when driving on rough roads or taking long trips. The relatively shallow mounting depth makes it compatible with many popular 10-inch drivers, so you can match it with subs that fit your power and sound goals. For truck owners who want a noticeable upgrade in bass without sacrificing cargo or legroom, this enclosure strikes a very practical balance between performance and space.